Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at InstaForex. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. InstaForex is a leading online CYSEC regulated forex broker that was founded in 2007. We recommend opening an account with InstaForex if you are new to trading, because an entire section of the website is dedicated to educating beginners. This is also a great option for retail traders seeking competitive trading conditions and investors who are looking for new ways to grow their capital and diversify their portfolios. As a trader, you can choose from two main types of trading accounts, and there are also cent accounts for traders who are trading for the first time, or who would like to test their strategies. These accounts can be used to trade a variety of instruments, including forex pairs, stocks, indices, metals, oil, gas, commodity futures, cryptocurrencies, and Insta futures, with instant executions guaranteed. All InstaForex trading accounts require a minimum deposit of only $1, so you can enjoy low-risk trading, low commission fees, and a high maximum leverage limit of 1 to 1,000. When you launch the InstaForex website, your first impression of the homepage might be that all the information you need is there. You can open an account directly from the homepage, access download links to platforms, view different trading programs based on your goals, and more. There is also a direct link to the InstaForex copy trading tools, and you can find information about trading instruments and features by simply scrolling down the homepage. You will also notice that there are plenty of financial and company news articles right on the homepage, and other resources that you can use for technical analysis. Despite there being so much information on the homepage, you can easily find exactly what you're looking for by selecting one of the tabs from the menu bar. All information is organized based on whether you're a beginner, a retail trader, an investor, or a partner, and you can also use the menu bar to stay updated with InstaForex's campaigns. To find out more about the instruments and spreads offered by InstaForex, open the homepage and click on the For Traders tab on the menu bar. Hover your cursor over the Trading Instruments option from the drop-down menu and click on Trading Conditions to be redirected to the Trading Instruments dashboard. InstaForex currently offers 110 currency pairs. InstaForex accounts can be used with two of the most popular trading platforms, MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. The MetaTrader platforms are renowned for having advanced analysis tools, technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor support, and more. Alternatively, if you have already used MetaTrader before and you would like to try something different, InstaForex offers a proprietary trading platform known as Insta.Trader. Insta.Trader comes with multiple graph types and a user-friendly interface with intuitive trade management tools. This platform gives you 6-digit quotes that increases your chances of making a profit, as the smallest price changes are accounted for. You can start trading directly from your web browser, and there is no need to download any software. All account types can be used with Insta.Trader, and this is the perfect platform if you are trading on ticks. InstaForex currently offers a unique loyalty program for clients who are club card owners, and there are currently 5 bonus offers in total. There is a 100% bonus on the first deposit made, a 55% bonus on every deposit made, a 30% club bonus on every deposit made, an additional club bonus deposit of up to 40% on every deposit, and a Chauncey deposit bonus of up to $10,000, which is a monthly promotion. There are primarily two types of trading accounts offered by InstaForex, the Insta.Standard account and the Insta.Eurica account. Both account types, including the cent accounts, require an initial deposit of only $1, making it easier than ever for any type of trader to start their trading career with minimal risk in an optimal trading environment. The Insta.Standard account is designed to be a commission-free trading account with fixed spreads, and it can be used to trade all available trading instruments. This is a flexible account that is suitable for all types of traders. The Insta.Eurica account offers incredibly tight spreads, starting at 0 pips, and low commission fees are charged. This account is recommended for beginners because the spreads are so low and a simple trading system is used. However, professionals can also benefit from the trading conditions of this account. Additionally, there are 2 cent accounts, and these accounts offer an easy, risk-free way for new traders to learn how to trade and how to use the platforms. These accounts were also designed for traders who would like to test new strategies in a live market environment with real trades, but without the high risks of bigger deposits. Creating an account with InstaForex is simple and easy. However, the process may take up to 24 hours, but it usually only takes a few minutes once you've completed the online registration. Firstly, launch the InstaForex homepage and click on the Open Trading Account button or on Login. If you do not have an account, you will be given the option to register a new account from the client portal. Enter your full name, email address, and phone number, and then click on the Open Account button. Complete the online application form, and then verify your account and email address. Once your account has been verified, you can fund your account and simply start trading. After your account has been set up and verified, what you will want to do is choose and install your preferred platform. After your platform has been installed, log in with the credentials provided. And as easy as that, we're in. This is MetaTrader 4 with InstaForex. In the center you have your graph, on the left your navigator and market watch, and at the top of the screen a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader platform, you can visit the InstaForex educational area, which covers a variety of educational tutorial platform videos to help you get started. With regards to educational content, you will be happy to know that as an InstaForex client, all you need to do is click on the For Beginners section on the menu bar to find all the information you could possibly need to learn how to trade. InstaForex has dedicated an entire section of the website to providing webinars, platform and trading tutorials, trading guides, and much more, with training courses that are designed specifically for beginners and first-time traders. Once you have registered your live trading account, you will have access to a 16-part training course that covers topics such as operations with the MetaTrader platforms and the basics of MetaTrader, margin trading on the Forex market, trend analysis, mathematical analysis, risk management, and much more. This course will help you understand technical and fundamental analysis, how to make forecasts of price changes, how to use MetaTrader 4, and how to trade. Once you have built up some confidence in your trading skills, we recommend exploring some of the options under the Forex Analytics section, where you will find video analytics, economic calendars, live trading sessions, and much more. InstaForex makes provisions for traders by providing an array of research tools also, such as Forex charts, which allow them to do different technical analysis. This provides traders with essential information on trading online and access to keep up with the latest market trends. Forex analysis provides traders with access to reviews from experts, the ability to monitor financial information, and online forecasts that show the exchange rates of different currencies for the day. In addition, InstaForex's research also covers actual patterns, Forex news, photo news, Forex calendars, and more. InstaForex has claimed many awards over the years, and they have received recognition from the UK Forex Awards, the World Finance Awards, the IAIR Awards, International Finance Awards, and more. Some of their most recent awards include the Best Forex Broker in Central and Eastern Europe in 2020 by International Business Magazine, the the most active broker in Asia of 2020 by Atos Markets Forex Awards, the best affiliate program in 2020 according to Global Brands magazine, and much more. Overall, based on the types of trading accounts offered, we definitely recommend using InstaForex if you are considering trading for the very first time, because there is an abundance of resources at your disposal, regardless of your trading experience or style. Not only can you enjoy commission-free trading with low minimum deposits and a variety of professional trading tools, but this broker also allows copy trading and offers PAM accounts and a passive earning program. Over 7 million clients use InstaForex, and they have been winning awards since 2009. This broker is definitely one of our top-rated brokers, so why not open an account today to claim your bonus if you are interested. And that is our overview of InstaForex. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.